How to back up camera roll to Snapchat. So the first step is by opening your Snapchat app and then click on your profile found on the upper left corner of the screen. Once you have done that, click on the settings button found on the upper right corner and scroll down and look for memories. So once you have seen memories right here below notifications, make sure to click on Smart Backup and then click on the toggle button found on the rightmost part of it. So now the toggle button has turned into green, which indicates that Smart Backup has been turned on. You may also import snaps from your camera roll by clicking on this one and choose the photos that you want. So again, you should open your Snapchat, go to your profile, click on settings, go to memories, and make sure to turn on Smart Backup and import snaps from camera roll. So that's it. That's how you can back up camera roll to Snapchat.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.